Hello everyone and welcome back to PC Error Detective. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop an infinity mirror effect on Google Meet, step by step. If you find this helpful, please remember to subscribe to the channel for more tech tips. Step 1. First, open the Google Meet website and log into your Google account. Step 2. Once you're logged in, either click to start a new meeting or join an existing one by entering a code or link. For this example, we'll start a new meeting, so click on Start an Instant Meeting. Step 3. Next, go to the bottom of the screen and click on Present Now. Step 4. Now, instead of selecting your entire screen, choose either a window or a Chrome tab. This choice is important because it will help prevent that infinite mirror effect. Step 5. Then select the specific window or tab you'd like to share and click Share. And that's it. Thanks for watching.